Are you looking for the best way you can fry a fish? Oh my goodness, you are at the right place, okay? Because this is the best. It was absolutely delicious and then well fried. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. Please subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. So I have with me here my fish, and today we are going to use tilapia fish. Okay, I will just go ahead and cut them into the sizes I want. So it has been cleaned, but I want to clean it again, okay? Because there are some parts I just want to discard, okay? Yeah. So now after cutting it, I will just go ahead and wash it very well, okay? Like the chest or where we removed the intestine, we will just wash that place very well, remove the grill, and then we will continue. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. Thank you so much. Now after washing it, I'm just going to wash it again by adding my lemon juice. After adding the lemon juice, I'll add some water to it and then wash it very well behind camera. When I'm done washing it, I'll get back to you so that we can proceed. Have you liked the video at this moment? Please, if you haven't, can you do so for me? Thank you for doing it, okay? So as I said earlier, after adding the lemon juice, I washed it with water, and then after that it is in salt water, okay? So we are just going to allow it to stay for about 40 to 45 minutes, and then we will proceed. So after 45 minutes, I will remove my fish from it and then put it in the colander so that it can drain, the water can drain, okay? And after that, I will just go ahead and coat my fish with all-purpose flour and start frying. So as I'm talking to you right now, the oil is on fire. As you can see, we are just going to start dropping the fish that has been coated, okay? If you don't want the flour, please just stay away from it. I want it, so yeah, that is why I used it. I realized the fire wasn't enough, but I quickly increased the fire so the oil can be hot, and then get back to its normal heat, okay? So that is what I did. Now after some time, I'll go ahead and then flip this so that the other side can also fry very well. If today is the first time here, I'm talking this boring because I just woke up from sleep, okay? So please just enjoy this voice like that. Now we are going to allow it to fry well before we proceed, or I share with you the next step. Have you subscribed or followed? If you haven't, can you do so for me? They don't take money, so please subscribe or follow for more videos. After some few minutes later, our fish is ready, but trust me, I want it a bit dry or very dry, okay? So at this moment, you can remove it from the oil if you are okay with it being juicy, okay? Yes, but I want it dry, so we are going to wait for extra few minutes on lower medium heat before we remove this from the oil, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to introduce some fresh rosemary, and trust me, this adds some flavor and taste to the fish. If you have basil, you can go ahead and do so, like add it to it as well. That is what I'm trying to say. I'll be very happy to see your comments in the comment section, okay? And let me know how you fry your fish or you prepare your fish in the comment section, so I can also learn something from you. You know, we are learning from each other, okay? Yeah. And please do all to go through my videos to watch my other videos or content. If you want the recipe in Chi, we have our Chi channel as Recipe Goddess on YouTube, okay? I have removed the rosemary from the oil, and now I am removing the fish. Allow it to be on the paper towel or in the colander so that the oil can drain. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.